Number 2. Panasonic LUMIX G95D. Are you a creative soul always on the lookout for a versatile and portable camera to capture your artistic vision? The Panasonic LUMIX G95D might be just what you need. This micro Four Thirds mirrorless camera is designed for both serious photographers and aspiring content creators. It boasts a powerful 20.3 megapixel digital live MOS sensor, delivering crisp and vibrant images that truly stand out. The LUMIX G95D excels in versatility with its 4K video capture capabilities, perfect for high-quality video production. Whether you're shooting cinematic scenes or recording your latest vlog, its pre-installed Vlog L profile and 12 stops of dynamic range offer impressive flexibility during post-production. The camera's weather-sealed body and lightweight design make it ideal for any adventure, while the 12 to 60 mm Power O.I.S lens ensures clear and sharp images. Plus, the LUMIX G95D features a flexible, free-angle monitor and live View Composite mode, allowing you to experiment with creative compositions. For enhanced audio, it includes an external microphone and headphone jacks. This camera truly caters to the needs of those who want to push their creative boundaries. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced photographer, the LUMIX is a fantastic option that